Today we talk about how can you disable notifications about stories on your wake up. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to settings list here and you click here on notifications. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click on stories. When you click on stories, it's going to take you to this list here. You come to notifications about stories, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my notifications about stories disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.